Alrighty. There's that. Don't need that. There's that. This is like one of those deals where if I go down, I ain't coming back up. Or can I? There's an air tank. That's it? Oh, loco, loco. Excuse me. Yeah, I think this is the spot. Okay. Let's see what we can build over here. No. Let's see, shelters. It's a nice cabin. What else we got? Yep. Tree shelters. I'm not gonna build any of those. No flooring, no chairs. No, it's all cabin stuff. I want to build a small cabin. I put it. Whoa. Nah, we can't go that high. We'll put it right there. Kelvin, I need your help with this. Can you help me, buddy? Yeah, your ear still hurts. Oh gosh. I need to build me something. I don't have a bow. I wonder if I can build a bow real quick. Do I have the stuff? Crafted bow. Sticks. No. What am I swinging that for? I'm supposed to put in the middle. Sticks. Tape. Rope. And then that's it. Oh, but I don't have any arrows. It's useless. I don't have any arrows. I need what? Sticks. Crafted stone arrow. Stone arrows, I need feathers, but I don't have any feathers. Can't make any arrows right now. If only I had some feathers. It's alright. Ooh, they'll stay away. Looks like they're staying away. Alright, let's see if we can get this cabin put up. Yeah. Right here. Nope, I didn't do that right. Right. No, there's a door right there. Kevin, move out the way. Don't get in the way. There. Kelvin, can you do me a favor, buddy? Can you actually finish this? Because I know you can do stuff. You'll be lazing around and not doing anything. Come on, man, help me out. Oh, what is this? Ooh, supplies. Ooh, okay, drinks. Battery, circuit board. Man, what happened to these guys? I mean, did they just get eaten from the plane? I don't know. I don't know if they just sat there and decayed. Because I don't because it don't make no sense if they're still in there. I wish I could fly this. Just get out of here. Get out of the way. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Oh well. The rain's coming. What's this? A flare? Hey, buddy. Hang in there. Oh, you hurt, man. Yo, aw. Sorry, man. Get rid of this. I'll take this. I'll take all these supplies. This is perfect. Ooh, yes, meals. More tape. Can always use more tape. Ooh. What does this say? Mm-hmm. Drinks. Tarp, tape. Batteries, energy bar, lights and more energy bars. More circuit boards. I'll take the circuit board. Liqueur. Oh, vodka bottle. Sorry. Grenade. Ooh, C4. Oh, I already have too much. Horse tail. I'm packed up on that. Ooh, flares. And I'm full on that. Full on everything. Oh no, that's nasty. No. Hey, what the hell is that? Yo, lady. You have an extra arm and a leg. What are you doing out here? Oh, okay. Just take off then. Alrighty then, bye. Berries. Alright, I gotta be really quiet. Sneaky. What are these dudes doing? Are they singing? What is that? They have something tied up. Oh, it's just gonna chill right there. Can't see me. Alrighty, maybe I shouldn't do this, or maybe I should. They're always messing with me. I should mess with them whenever I get a chance. That one is going to... He's going to sit there, okay. They're both facing away from me. Looks like there's only 4. One's laying down. Alright, I'm going to go smack this dude over here. Come on. Hopefully it takes him out. One shot. Bah! Oh, are you serious? Die. Oh, no, you're huge. Oh, my God. Oh. Ow. Oh, no. Hey, slippery. Nope. Oh, yes. Got you. Who's next? You, lady? Oh. Ah, don't hit the tree. Oh, no. Big guy's coming. No. Yeah. Oh, wow. God almighty, that hurt. Ow. Take these pills real quick. Hopefully they don't hurt me. Can they see me? What is he doing? Can she see me? Oh, she had to run. He just threw that guy. Take this. Oh, one and done. There's somebody. Oh, no. Oh, what was that? Dodging weed. Bobbing weed. Oh, take that. All right, big guy. You and me. Oh, come on. Oh, are you down? Yes. Now your turn. Out for the count. Come on. You wobbling away? Nah, you ain't get... Oh. Yeah, you faking. Take this. Ha. Ooh, where'd you go? There you go. Nah, perfect. Whew. They teach you to mess with me. Calvin, what are you even doing here? Thought I told you to go finish building stuff. Rope. Yeah, those are not good. Nothing here. No. Cereal? Crunchy Wunchy collection. Okay. Ooh. What is this thing? Ooh. That thing's ugly. Oh. Oh, I didn't. Oh, okay, okay, okay. You know, I'm mad even if I set you free, man. Take that. Ooh, alright. You ain't. You know, no, no. Oh, no, Kelvin. No, no, no. Get away from Kelvin. Take that. You dead? Oh, perfect. Oh, what kind? Ooh. Alrighty then. Get some of this. More mushrooms. I'll eat this one. Battery? And don't need those. I'll take the cloth. Taking everything. Taking all y'all's shit. I need it more than y'all. Ooh. Ooh, feathers. I need feathers. I need them. I need them. Gimme, 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 gimme. I can't believe I knocked that bird out with the logs. Poor bird. I didn't mean to. What's that noise? What is that? Where's that coming from? Over there? A helicopter on this island? I mean, they've only found one. Oh, no, there is one. Who is that? Who can that be? Ooh, take that. Hopefully you can come down and help me after I shot you. You're just gonna hover there. You gonna come down or help or what's up? What are you gonna do? Oh, never mind. Fine then. I help myself. Kelvin. Ooh, 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 ooh. Get away. Try to take my food. Seagulls even eat meat? Not too sure. Alright, Kelvin. I need to get some things done. But first... I'm gonna... What to do, what to do. Kelvin, can you do me a favor and just stay here, buddy? Don't go nowhere. You're all messed up. Yeah? Perfect. It's time to go into this cave, man. I'm ready for some stuff now. Oh man, I missed it. Oh well. Alrighty, Kelvin. I'll be back.